Introducing the Vipower electric motor family, the future of efficiency and innovation across multiple industries. With universal mounting plate and output shaft dimensions, swapping out traditional gas engines like the Honda GX for the Vipower electric motor is a breeze. With zero emissions, you can run your equipment on indoor job sites and expand your operational possibilities. Say goodbye to the regular upkeep of traditional gas engines. With near zero maintenance, Vipower electric motors eliminate the need for oil changes, spark plug replacements, and carburetor repairs. Unlimited fine-tuning of motor speed from 600 to 3600 RPMs for optimal implement performance. Vipower motors feature a patented power connector that ensures reliable and safe connection with every use. Vipower electric motors are protected from moisture, dust, and other contaminants, ensuring reliable performance in any environment. Revolutionize your operations with Vipower.